Shoulders back, feet find the ground. No more whispering, let the truth sound. Lights flash gold.
Hey guys, I just found this AI app that can create songs in seconds. The beautiful thing about this app is that the songs are copyright free. You don't even need to have a mic or singing talent before you can generate your own songs. So guys, let me walk you through it. First off, you have to come over to your Chrome browser and type tuny.ai. Then you click on it. This is what the interface looks like. You can sign up with your Google account or your email account. Then you now have to input your prompt. Guys, this is the fastest music AI generator I have seen so far. Honestly, this is the fastest. So what you have to do is to type in what you want it to generate for you. This was what I told it. Upbeat Afro music with energetic female vocals, catchy chorus, modern production, confident and empowering vibe. Yours may not be Afro music. Yours may be pop music. Yours may be jazz. Yours may be reggae. Any one of your choice, right? Then you now have to click on start cooking. When you click on it, it will start generating both the lyrics and the music. This is so beautiful, guys. This is so nice. So guys, as you can see, it generated our lyrics for us, right? Just the way we prompted it. Verse 1, the chorus, verse 2, the chorus, and everything, right? So let's see if our music is ready. Wow, our music is ready. It even generated 6 songs for us. You just have to choose the one that suits you best. This is so beautiful. Let's click on the first one to hear what it gave us.
Ah, yeah. Shoulders.
So guys, let's play the second one to hear what it has for us.
Flash gold on every face. This beat knows my name, sets my pace. Feel it right from toe to spine. Every shadow left behind. I move like fire, I shine like sun, and waiting for nobody's permission to run. Hands up high, let the rhythm decide.
This is so nice. So to save it, you have to click on these 3 dots here. Then you scroll down, you see download. Then you now download and download to MP3. Here, tap on it, and voila, your music is ready. So guys, you can get free credit by signing up with the link in the description box. I attached my link to the description box, so you can tap on it in order to access free credit with tuny.ai, so you can generate as much songs as you want. Believe me, there are many things you can do with this particular AI tool. You just have to explore. Right? So if you have watched up to this extent, do well to give me a like and a thumbs up, and also comment on the next AI tutorial you want to see on this channel. And until I come your way next time, take care and bye bye.
Ah, yeah. Shoulders back, feet find the ground. No more whispering, let the truth sound. Lights flash gold on every face. This beat knows my name, sets my pace. Feel it rise from toe to